everyone. This is Father's Day 2019, and we're just going to do a little patio garden tour. Mikha'el's going to help me out here. And what is our first one, Mikha'el?
Our first one is yellow squash.
Okay, what's going on underneath here?
There are flowers underneath the leaves, and there's more leaves on top of the flowers.
Okay. All right, you think it's looking pretty good?
Yeah.
All right, cool. What's next?
The next ones are cucumbers, tomatoes, and bell peppers. The ones with the little stringy things are the cucumbers. The cucumbers look like this. The tomatoes are the ones I'm touching right now. And then these are the bell peppers way down here. It's kind of hard to see, but they're like 4 leaves.
Ah, okay. All right, what do you think about it? The smell, the touch, what do you think about it?
It feels feathery. And this feels fuzzy. The cucumbers feel fuzzy. The tomatoes feel fuzzy. And the bell peppers feel feathery.
Okay, all right. What else do we have going on in
We
patio
have
garden?
three more grow back, and this right here is lettuce. We've chopped some of the lettuce. There's lettuce, there's tiny sprouts that's hard to see here, and then there's sprouts in this bag.
All right. Okay. So when did you put the seeds in for these 2 grow bags? Do you remember? I think it was about a week ago. So it's been about 7 days or so. And we see some sprouts already. Yes, we have been nibbling on this one to get a bit peppery. Forget the name of this type of lettuce, but it is peppery. And tastes very flavorful. So Mikha'el is taking some time to transplant some things here because he's just been really fascinated with this here.
Like the ones that are behind here. Look, there's lettuce behind here. You see, that's where I got the little tiny sprouts from. I picked them from back then. I put them in here.
Okay, and since the evening is here, they seem to be sleeping a little bit here in Seoul. That's why they're not as tall as they are during the daytime. All right.
You see, I'm gonna help. Sometimes I help to do this. Pull them up like this. But you see, I wanted to snip a piece and see the shape of it.
Okay.
Is that okay?
You see how long it is? Yeah, that's fine. You can do one.
Look at
Let's
it.
see.
That's lettuce.
All right. So we're gonna say bye-bye to everyone. Look at them chomping there. look at that wild hair, don't care. But he is our main gardener on duty. He is Mr. Mikha'el. We appreciate his love of nature, his love of plants. And he spends some time talking to them. You do? All right.
I say this last plants, I hope you produce good fruit.
All right, wonderful.
And it just scrubs all over the plant.
Okay. And say bye-bye to everyone.
Bye-bye.
All right.
Everyone.
Okay, shalom.
Bye.